your hand. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no style, ain't got no girl to make you happy. Don't worry, be happy. 'Cause when you want your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So worry, be happy. That's what it means. Don't worry. I go. One more time, I go. Whatever I do, the beat. I see just like so if we sell South Africa, no one, they are pressure at this one. Yeah, that's South Africa easy.